Oh Lord. Now that's cozy, right? Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, oh yeah, we got the Suzuki Jimny. My brand new vehicle. And in our first video of the Jimny series, we're gonna add some little things, some little quirks, much needed quirks, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why you need a Jimny yourself, or why not. I'm not really sure, but I needed one for sure, I think. Welcome back to the interior. We got the keys. As you can tell, no keyless go. We do have some buttons to lock and unlock the car, but as far from that and a little keychain, there's nothing else to say. I also tried the unlock door, keep it touched and the windows go down. Doesn't work, it doesn't have that. Anyway, as you can tell, and I promise you guys, you have never seen a car review as fast as this one. Well, it's not a review, it's just showing off my car. Get this little menu, you can check your range, average speed, driving time, and a black screen. And how much it's drinking at the moment. And your average drinking. That's about it. That's the only thing you get. Good enough for me. Top speed. I have no idea about top speed, but we are gonna have to check that out later on. We got the windows open. Window to the other side. Hill hold assist. Oh yeah, hill climb assist. It's a manual. You got first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. For reverse, put it to that way. This is the little 4x4 gear lever. So now it is in two-wheel drive. That means rear wheel drive. Yes, a Jimny stock is a rear wheel drive car, so you can drift it. Anyway, if you put it into, you can put it into fourth low, fourth high, and fourth low gear. But as far as that, that's all I can say about the interior. There's nothing more to say. Oh, when I got out, I noticed these two. So you got lane assist. Well, it starts bleeping if you miss a lane. If you drive over like a straight line, it starts bleeping. And you got crash protection. It's also not stopping the car. It's just it starts to bleep that you're about to crash. So if you hear that bleep, 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 just push the brake. Yeah. And as you can tell, there is no way you can dislike this car. It's like a mini G-Wagon. It's like, I mean, look at it. That toe hook is like giant. I know. I'm really sorry about that, but yeah, I mean. Not really an automatic tailgate. It's just got a hydraulic system on it. So, rear trunk. Yeah. There's there's nothing to help me get this heavy hood up. So actually gotta use that little thing over there. And yeah, that's the engine. So everything is straightforward, Japanese as can be. You can just reach every freaking thing you need in there. There's no plastics that need to be removed. Anyway, yet again, the 1500 cc's 16 valve producing 100 horsepower. Neato. And I'm not gonna lie, that's actually everything there is about to say about the Jimny. Let's get some things done. So let's get started to removing that iron net behind my head, so I got a little bit more leg room and I can fold the seats down. And then we're gonna install some funny gadgets from Jimny style. I mean, Jimny style, those guys really, god dang it, that shop is this car is addictive. I just couldn't stop buying stuff from them. God dang it. This is some dangerous work. God dang it. God dang. Yeah. Whew. now we get that out of the way. I watched Jordy Jimny's channel. Does a lot of camping, and yeah, he showed me something that you could get the back seat down and sleep in a Jimny. Now, I'm not a sleeping expert, but I'm pretty sure that maybe the first models that came out with the back seat had a little bit more space over here, and you could totally drop the passenger seat and the driver's seat, but it's not going to sleep very well. You gotta look into that. Next up. Almost forgot I ordered some rubber floor mats. If your feet get wet, you do not want to have them on these nice carpets. Rear heated window. It's like all bare naked and things like that. And if you get a lot of rubbish stuff going on in the back, or your trunk is filled with even more rubbish to go camping, gotta make it a little bit more safe. Ooh, I won a prize. Simple as that, pretty straightforward. Things you need to have for your Jimny. Wow, these are some fat buttons. Look at that. That is a fat button. God dang it. Oh Lord. I think I jinxed it. Yeah, I don't really need it, but it does work better. More leverage. Looks didn't really made it better, but functionality is all I'm going for, and yeah, it works better. Yeah. Full black car, black wheels. Look what we got here. Chrome. No bueno. The good thing, these things are magnetic. I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, so I can't really screw this thing up. I screwed it up. Okay. There we go. Easy as that. Way better. I mean, come on, Suzuki, you guys should have made that stock. Like, a 4x4 needs a lot of cargo space. Right? Imagine driving your car, you get really bored, and you want to watch Netflix. This is option 1 on your phone. I mean, it's pretty dangerous. Jimny style has got option number 2. A dash tray. And last but not least, mood lights. Now don't lie, that's cozy as hell, right? I like to be cozy. That's the end of this video, guys. Got a lot more parts coming, but for today, some easy parts, some explanation, that's about it. Next time, I'm gonna go hard, maybe the exhaust, maybe the roof rack, wheels, not really sure. But stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, doesn't cost any money, and I'll see you guys in the next one.